to make a number guessing game using the random module. So first we will import the random module. So I import random, then we will store a random number inside a variable. So I'm taking the name of the variable A, and we are storing a random number. So random dot random. I'm storing a random number from 1 to 10. So 1 comma 10. Now we will start a loop. So first we are stating the value of x. X equals to, we are taking y, and then we are using while loop here. So while x is equals to y, loop will run. Okay. So now inside the loop, first we are taking the input of the number by the user. So I am taking the name of the variable b. B equals to int integer input, then enter a number. So now we have taken an input from the user, and we have two numbers, one randomly generated by the computer in A, and the number which the user has input in B. Now we have to use the conditional statements to check whether the number matches to the random number or not. So we are using if. So if A is equals to B, then if A is equals to B, we have guessed it correctly. So print correct guess. So if the user has guessed it correctly, we have to end the loop. So I'm changing the value of x, that will end the loop. So I'm changing it to n. Now else the number guessed by the user is lower than the number which is generated randomly. So if A is greater than B, then the number is lower. So it's too low. We shall print too low. Okay. Now again, else if the number is too high, we'll print too high. Okay. So everything is done inside the loop. So at last we will print game over, and then we will run the loop. So if we enter a number, you will see it's showing too high. Then we have to choose a number which is lower than 8. So I choose 5. It is too low. So it is between 5 and 8. Now I'm choosing, let's say 6. It is too low again. So the number is 7, and it's game over.